In this video, we show you how to play online with your friends in FC26. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Before you can play with your friends, you need to add them first. Then I'll show you all the different game modes where you can play together. Now to add a friend on FC26, you can press R2 on PlayStation or RT on Xbox to open the EA Connect menu. And then you can hover to player search. And here just type in your friend's EA ID. Once they accept your friend request, you're all set. And now let's see all the game modes you can play together. So the first one is going to be online friendlies. From the main menu, select online friendlies and create a new friendly match. You can then invite your friend to join. Another great option is co-op season. From the main menu, select co-op seasons, and then you're gonna create a loaded season and invite your friend. Now let's talk about ultimate team. With an ultimate team, there are several game modes where you can play with your friends. Select ultimate team to enter. Once you're in, go to the play section and you'll see different game modes available. The first one is rush. Or you can also select play versus friends to play friendlies using your ultimate team squad.